Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Shivangi Singh Astrology. I do free pick a card readings. I also do deck reviews, and you can message me on my email account, that is shivangisinghastrology@gmail.com, or you can follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, that is, both of them are with the same name, that is Shivangi Singh Astrology, or you can leave a comment section down below to get a private reading with me. And today the deck that we are reviewing is called Notes from the Universe on Love and Connection by Dooley. So I have seen a lot of people, a lot of tarot card readers use this deck, and I think I'm not sure, but I think this is the only deck by Dooley. If it's not, do let me know. And Dooley is actually an entrepreneur who was into financial investment and business and those kind of thing. He was a corporate guy, and then he moved into tarot, and he followed a spiritual path where he was led to create this oracle deck. And in general, he is into motivational talks nowadays, and he just believes in the power of positivity. So that's a little background on these decks, on this particular deck and these cards. So the personality of the creator, Dooley, gets into these cards, and I'll show you how. So that whole theme of positive thinking and motivational talks, you actually get to see that in these cards. So another thing is that these cards are very nice if you're doing a love reading. If the question that you're asking from the universe is what does that person want to say to me, or what are that person's feelings for me, you'll definitely get your answer. So that way these cards are really useful. Plus I like that they are not really highly priced. I think even in India they are available for, I believe, 800 rupees, which is okay. So plus I love the number of cards. I like it when it's not just a 44 card deck, it's a 60 card deck, and I really like that. So this one is, so this is what it looks like, and this one is by Hay House again. I am buying a lot of Hay House products. I'm just drawn to them, and I like the box. Box is sturdy. It's always best to have like a sturdy, long-lasting deck. The only problem is getting it out of here. Getting these cards out is something I can't do with one hand. Wait, excuse me while I do this. You can probably hear me struggling with these. So the lid of these cards is pretty tight, and while I like that, it's a struggle to get this off. Okay, so this is the lower lid. Okay, this is the box where the cards are, and these are the edges. I like the edges. I think they are really nice. And you know, again, Hay House doing wonderful job. This is like really sturdy, one of the sturdiest deck stock that I've ever seen. Then this is the welcome card, and it tells you the history of these cards. This one tells you about the creator. The interesting thing about this deck is that it does not come with a book, and so far this is the only deck that I have which does not come with a book. So these are the cards. This is what the cards look like. Again, something written here, very Hay House. I like that. And very sturdy material, extremely sturdy. So I have not removed this band because I find it very useful. I like it, and I just love the colors on this deck. I like this deck in terms of look. So there is no gilding, and if you've been following my channel, you know that I'm a huge fan of gilding. I need gilding in my decks, but here I don't need it because I'm not sure if it's visible on camera, but there's actually a little bit of color on you know, it's like a band of colors. It's more visible in real life than on camera. So because of the color, so you can see it here, because of that little bit of color that comes through, I don't actually miss the gilding on these decks. Plus they are glossy, and they have a lot of color, so gilding is not really required for these cards, and I think it's beautiful the way the cards are, everything, colors, imagery, the messages, and the fact that they made it glossy, not matte. I think everything is really nice. It just works. I don't have any criticism for this deck. They don't even need a book because everything is very literal. They have been very liberal with their words. So yeah, I don't really have any bit of criticism really for this deck. I think it really works well together. I love the color. I think it's beautiful. The messages are very positive. If you're looking for a quick pick me up, you can just go through this deck and get a message and even put it up there. So for example, if you're feeling down and you have this important thing to do, then you can just put it wherever it looks good, wherever you can just keep on seeing it, and it's just beautiful. Like, this deck can be used in so many ways. You can just pass on one as a literal card to one of your friends, just like write your friend's name on top, write your name on top, and then just gift it. I think that way also this card deck really works. So there are multiple uses for it. You can use it in your readings, you can use it in love readings, or just any kind of relationship readings. Really, I think it's nice. It's really nice. Cardstock is amazing, very good cardstock. So yeah, with this particular deck, I don't have any negatives. I can't point out and say that it's not gilded, so it's bad, or the colors aren't there. I think everything is just on point with this deck. Okay, so that was my really short review of this deck. I think you can tell I'm not going through each and every card, but you can see that it's really a beautiful card with very nice imagery and nice messages, nice little messages. So yeah, I think no matter what reading you use it for, you will always be able to derive a message out of it which you like. So that is my review of this deck, guys. I think that you will like it too. I hope that you like it too. So I'll just go over some of the cards. I think so that you get a better idea of what you're getting into. So I think that is enough to give you an idea, and please let me know in the comment section what is your feedback on this deck, whether you agree or disagree with my review of it, and if there's any other deck that you think we need to discuss, then we can do that. And as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in to my channel, and I'll see you in my next reading. Bye.